Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit forest filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Contrast to -17. Highlights to -55. Shadows to 25. Whites to -23. And blacks to -19. Next, go to Curve. I've made these curves before. You can pause this video to make them. You can also get these presets for free. Just find password in this video. Next, go to Color. Temperature to 15. Tint to -5. Vibrance to 34. And saturation to -24. Next, go to Grading. For shadows, hue to 71. Saturation to 13. Blending to 100. And balance to 47. For highlights, hue to 85. And saturation to 5. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, saturation to -30. And luminance to -25. For orange, hue to -5. Saturation to -28. and luminance to -31. For yellow, hue to 61. Saturation to -70. And luminance to -38. For green, hue to -16. Saturation to -81. And luminance to -35. For aqua, hue to -34. Saturation to -86. And luminance to -27. For blue, hue to -16. Saturation to -80. And luminance to -42. For purple, hue to 20. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -23. For pink, hue to 20. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -21. Next, go to Effects. Texture to -5. Clarity to -7. Vignette to -16. And midpoint to 25. And last, go to Detail. Noise reduction to 16. Detail to 25. Contrast to 10. And color noise reduction to 25. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.